Hello class, how are you? Everybody is fine and safe. So we have already covered up the third chapter, almost the half part of the third chapter. I've explained you the virus, how a virus was invented, who invented, when it was invented, when the particular name of the virus was given. All these things I've explained you in the video. Then I have explained you that what are the precautions we should take when the virus attacked the computer. What are the symptoms shows when a computer is attacked by the virus? What is antivirus? How we protect? How we install an antivirus? How we should keep antivirus update? And what is the better way to keep the antivirus in your computer? All these things I have explained you in your previous video. One thing more girls, please complete your work on time so that you should submit your work on time, because date has been given to you. So please see the date and complete your work on time. So coming back to the chapter, so I told you that this much things means still antivirus, types of what latest antivirus we are using nowadays, and what are the benefits of antivirus, means how the antivirus works in a computer. All these things I have explained you in the previous video. Now I will explain you some of the viruses. Malware viruses. Malware is a virus, it has different parts. Malware is a main virus which has different parts. So that thing I will explain you. Malware. Malware is a virus which is used to damage the computer. It is made of two words, that is malicious plus software. By this two words it is made malware. Malware is made of two words, that is malicious plus software. These two words make the name malware. Malware is a very dangerous virus which used to damage the computer totally. It is not damaging the computer in one part. It is damaging the computer in the whole area of a computer. Okay. It has different parts. Malware has different parts. Okay. The first one is worm. Worms are similar to virus which are very dangerous. It is used to transform from one system to another system without the help of any human action. We are not knowing, but the virus is transferring from one system to another system. How? With the help of the internet or by help of any other external source. We are not knowing, but unfortunately the virus is spreading from one system to another system. Next point is spyware. Spyware is a software virus which is there in the computer. Okay, nowadays what happen when we install any version of Windows, the spyware is there as an application, but it is a type of virus which steal your information automatically. If you have not protected your files in a proper way, then it will automatically steal your information and will transfer it to other computers through the internet. It will steal your information and will transfer your information through the internet. It is used to steal the important information from your computer. Anything it can steal. Your which have been saved, your files, your photographs, your documents, anything it can steal, and it can transfer it to the other systems through the internet. Next is, third one is adware. Adware are those viruses which are form of advertisements. Sometimes what happen when we are using the internet, the unusual advertisements comes, pop-up advertisements which are not useful. ये सब ज़रूरत नहीं होता है, लेकिन फिर भी ये आते हैं. तो unfortunately अगर हम उसको open कर देते हैं, then the virus enter to the computer. Okay, so without not knowing about the advertisement, we should not open that. So these are called adwares. It is an pop-up advertisements which come unusually in the computer, which are not useful, and if we unfortunately open that, it harms the computer. Then fourth one is hijackers. Hijackers is a form of this hijacks. Means जो किसी चीज़ पे कब्जा करना, ठीक है, अपनी हुकूमत दिखाना, ठीक है, कि वी आर देयर, nobody can come inside that. Okay, so these are softwares attack to the browsers, like you having the Chrome, you having Internet Explorer. When you open that, a home page opens, that is called engines. Okay, so search engines, that are called search engines. So these viruses attack that browsers. Okay, what happens when you open, the setting of that home page will change, or something files will be missing from that internet services. So these hijackers attack to that browsers which you open, for example the Chrome, the Firefox, or the Internet Explorer, all these things. These are the search engines. In that we are having search engines like Google's. Okay, we having Google. So when you open the Google, and if the hijackers are there, then it will change the setting of the Google. वो change कर देंगे, settings change कर देंगे, और अगर आप कुछ search करना चाहेंगे तो वो properly आपको information नहीं दे पाएगा, क्योंकि वो already virus से attacked होगा. ठीक है? So coming to the next point, that is Trojan. Trojans in the earlier days in Greek में जब वॉर होता था तब वहाँ पे एक वुडन हॉर्स बनाया जाता था, बड़ा सा वुडन हॉर्स बनाया जाता था, एंड इन दैट सोल्जर्स आर सीक्रेटली केप्ट टू अटैक द एनिमी. ये एनिमी को नहीं पता होता था कि उस हॉर्स में क्या है, उन्हें तो सिर्फ एक हॉर्स दिखता था, वुडन हॉर्स दिखता था, उसको बीच में खड़ा कर दिया जाता था, ठीक है, वॉर के टाइम. और जो एनिमी होते थे उन्हें लगता था कि वुडन हॉर्स है, लेकिन उस वुडन हॉर्स में सोल्जर्स छिपे होते थे. जब अटैक करने की बारी होती थी तो अचानक से वो अटैक करते थे. तो सेम थिंग, द टॉर्जन वायरस डू द सेम थिंग. इट हाइड समवेयर in the computer and suddenly it attacks your computer and damage it. Okay, same जैसे वो हॉर्स में जो सोल्जर्स होते थे वो छुपे होते थे और अचानक से एनिमी पे अटैक करते थे, तो सेम थिंग द वायरस, दिस टॉर्जन वायरस से डू द सेम वर्क. इट हाइड समवेयर इन द कंप्यूटर एंड इट व्हेन इट गेट चांस इट suddenly attack to the computer and it damage the parts of the computer. It steal the information, or it transfer the information, or it delete the informations. Okay, next one is ransomware. Ransomware is type of virus which like some things when we are using as free websites. Okay, हमने उसको फ्री वेबसाइट की तरह यूज किया, लेकिन अचानक से उसने क्या पेमेंट मांगना शुरू कर दिया, एंड वी कांट कम आउट, वी कांट लॉक इट until and unless we are not paying a high amount of that, we can't lock that. उसको लॉक करने के लिए अगर वो आप अनलॉक कर दिए हैं तो उस समय तो आपको पता नहीं था कि इसमें पे करना है, लेकिन जब आपने यूज़ करना शुरू कर दिया तो वायरस अपना रूप दिखाना शुरू कर दिया, एंड देन इट स्टार्ट asking for the payments, and until and unless you are not paying a huge amount to that, it will not lock that websites, and as you paid that, then it is up to them that it will lock or not. Okay, then last point is sweeper. Sweeper means sweep करना. झाड़ू लगाते हैं घर में, तो झाड़ू लगाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, जितने भी घर में कचरा होता है वो बाहर फेंक देते हैं. सेम थिंग द स्वीपर इज डूइंग, दैट इफ द वायरस इज देयर इन योर कंप्यूटर, इट स्वीप आउट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर कंप्यूटर. मतलब सारा हटा देता है झाड़ू मार के, ठीक है. तो जितने भी इंफॉर्मेशन उसमें होते हैं वो सारे इंफॉर्मेशंस वो डिलीट कर देते हैं. ठीक है. And when you are trying to open any information, you are trying to open your folder or files, you are not getting it because all the files and folders are deleted by this Swipper virus. Okay. So girls, your chapter has been over. Okay, this chapter, this virus, computer virus is over. So I have explained you today about the malware. The malware is a software virus which has different parts. The malware is combined of two names, that is malicious plus software. This virus is used to damage the computer by overall. Okay, it has 7 parts, that is worm, spyware, adware, hijackers, trojan, ransomware and Swipper. Okay, so these viruses are very dangerous. See, we are not saying that all viruses are dangerous. Some viruses are not harmful. They are there in the computer, but they doesn't harm your computer. Some viruses, not all. Some viruses are not so harmful to your computer, but these viruses which are there, you can see the names, they are very dangerous because they steal your information, they delete your information, or they transfer your information to the other systems, which is very harmful to you, because if you are not having any backup, then what happens that if your file is deleted, then you have to make it again, or you have to collect the informations again. So it is very difficult for you to collect all the information. So today your chapter is over. So please go through this video carefully. If you are having any problem, then you are free to comment on the comment box. Please girls, study seriously. It is not there that we are having online classes and you are just taking it casually and not studying at all. It will affect your mark. I know we are telling 1000 times, but you are not listening because you know that we will be promoted to the next class. Yes, that is your mentality now made. It is made, your mentality has been made that next year also we can promote it because this is a lockdown, this is a big pandemic, and we are free to do anything. But girls, be serious, because if you have no base, आपका बेस नहीं बनेगा तो फ्यूचर में आपका कोई काम नहीं होगा. ठीक है. So please girls, be serious, study seriously and do whatever work has been given to you. That is more important, because when you submit your copies, horrible writings and the answers are can't readable also, because what we have sent to you and what you have sent to us, that is far difference. Okay, so please girls, be serious to your studies and please go through this video carefully, and if you are having any problem, please comment on the comment box. And for today's class, thank you and stay home, stay safe.